Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So like usual, Alhamdulillah, in this good occasion we can meet again, we can talking together about cryptocurrency. Before that, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, because this channel always talking about cryptocurrency, so that can add our knowledge and our intellectual. Now I want to tell to you about algorithmic algorithm. Another algorithmic television has fallen below its $1 but the expert says it's not Terra 2 and 0. So this is a algorithm and in cryptocurrency. A controversial television launched just before the collapse of a similar token called Terra USD. In struggling to maintain its PAG to the US dollar, USD or US dollar, a so-called algorithmic stabilization, they admit to always be worth $1, plunged to as low as 93% on Sunday. The coin's creator has amassed a reserve of Bitcoin and other digital tokens worth close to US dollar billion to provide a buffer in case investors flee and messy. The situation has led to fears the USD may suffer the same fate as Terra USD or UST. The record so-called stabilization, they formed part of an experiment called Terra UST or Melton Triumvirate, a wider sale of in cryptocurrency, which has been extended in recent weeks by a growing liquidity crisis in the market. The Tron DAO reserve, which oversees and manages the stabilization, said a certain degree of volatility in USD price was to be expected given its decentralized nature. Certain percent of volatility is unavoidable. The organization tweeted last week, currently the market volatility rate is within 3% an expectable range. We will watch the market very closely and act urgently. USD was trading at around 97% on Wednesday. The side corner over a repeat of the Terra saga. Experts say this is unlikely to be case since USD is much smaller in size and has seen little uptake from crypto investors. USD was trading at around 97% on Wednesday, despite concerns over a repeat of the Terra saga. Experts says is this unlikely to be the case since USD is much smaller in size and has seen little uptake from crypto investors. So that's new news today, and maybe just this what I can share with you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe because we want talking about cryptocurrency together. Okay? Thank you very much. See you.